Okay, so like I said, was looking for a sell on 51s, trying to sell from this fair value gap, but it seems price is trying to run away from it. I'm going to be patient and wait to see if it can rise back sharply into it before it drops to take the lows and fill in this imbalance as well. So let's see how it goes. Like I said, we are buying this 101s. I hope you guys are in the buys. Took sell side liquidity right here. Aggressive candle with the intention of trying to attack buy side liquidity. We have a couple of equal highs here. You can see these are clean and perfect equal highs. And above the equal highs, we have this fair value gap. Now I like to see price fill it in. So let's see how it goes. Make sure you are risking what you can afford to lose. Okay. We may have the setup. Market can choose to do whatever it wants to do. So make sure you are risking what you can afford to lose. So far so good. It's looking good, pushing up gradually. Yeah. Let's check on V10. Okay, like I said, V10, I'm already in a sell. You can join the sell when price taps into this fair value gap. I'm expecting it to come for these lows. And we have this opening balance here that I would like to see price fill it in. Such a huge imbalance. So we can join it from that fair value gap. If you have any questions, you can ask. If you want me to look at any synthetic, you can let me know as well.
Can you please look at VIX 100?
Come again.
VIX 100.
Okay, I'll do so real quick. This 100. This 100 has been selling. There is not much we can do with this 100 right now, unless we see signs of reversal or we get a pullback to be a part of the sell. So I think this 100 is gonna sell all the way to this opening balance, that whole area. This whole area of imbalance and a breaker block. So that's the target for this 100 cells. And I think I would love to see a pullback all the way into this FVG. I doubt if you're going to have that pullback, but that's where I want to sell from. If it's not going to come there, I'd like to see some form of liquidation. Maybe around here. then I can take the cells with a shift. If I don't get a liquidity engineering and liquidation around the breaker, then I'm not interested. But I think this scenario will probably play out. If not, the price will have to come here. So we'll be looking for sales from here, or we'll be waiting for liquidity to be engineered here so that we join the sales. So it's a bearish market and we should be looking for sales. So now that liquidity has been taken here, a possible pullback may be guaranteed, but I'm not going to take any pullback setup here. Just waiting for it to get there and I'll look for continuation. I hope it is clear for you. If you want to ask anything, you can just unmute yourself and then you can ask. Let's check this 251S. 251S has been crazily bullish as well. Bullish. But I think a reversal is on its way, some way, somehow. I'm expecting a possible reversal soon. So let's see if we can have a change instead of delivery by closing below this area. And we can look for some possible sales towards some of these levels. This whole area is also flat. A lot of liquidity may be resting there. So that's a very possible scenario. Until the shift, there is nothing to work with. And this has been too bullish for me to also look for a buy. If you buy here, you'll be buying in deep premium. You don't want to be buying above swing highs like that. So you buy in discount, you sell in premium. Let's check this 150. I think 150 is good for a buy. I see this liquidation right there, aggressive displacement, change instead of delivery, fair value gap, beautiful reaction from the fair value gap. Liquidity was taken before the fair value gap was tapped. This is aligned for a nice bullish move. Entry, I think we've made an entry from this imbalance. So I'll hope and wait to see if price can drop into the imbalance one more time, and I'll take a buy, maybe to take this swing low. But price might just blow up, keep going without coming down. But all the same, should I just buy from here? Okay, guys, let's jump in. Stop loss below here. Okay, let's jump in. We're targeting some of these levels here. So let's buy this 151S. Are you taking your entries? Are you taking your entries? Yeah, so let's jump in at current price level. Price can still come back into the imbalance if we are lucky. If not, it can just keep pushing up. So if by any chance price comes back to the imbalance, I'll add some more positions to it. So if I've already entered, it seems you will come back to it. So if it comes back to the imbalance, you can add some more positions. Hold on, guys, a second. So yeah, so it's tapping back into the imbalance. You can add up some more entries. We'll be taking partials above this swing high. And our next profit at this point. And let's quickly check on this 10-1s. We are deep in profit. I'm deep in profit here. I don't know about you. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Are you deep in profit? Or you are watching the Zoom session like television, not participating? We are deep in profit on 10-1s. Beautiful push. Beautiful push. Beautiful push. Beautiful push. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, come learn the skill, okay? Don't give that $50, $100 to derive. You're just gonna lose it. Pay for mentorship, learn the skill, get better before you think of making money. Good push, you're deep in profit here. Okay. Anyway, let's check on the other setups. You guys didn't catch the entry. Like I said, I'm already in on V10. Massive sell-off, beautiful. Let's check 25-1s. Okay, 25-1s is here. Be waiting for some form of a shift in structure with displacement, and I'll look for a buy towards this level. Let's surface 25. It's 25 super bullish at the moment. We can't be buying in premium here. We'll be waiting for a shift to look for a scalp sell. So let's check 51s. Okay, 51s is gradually pushing towards our zone, our point of interest. I think I'll take this entry from 50% of the fair value gap. That'll be ideal for a better risk to reward. So yeah, it's pushing back towards the anticipated point of interest. We'll be looking for sales from that point. Yeah, so let's see. Let's see what we got. Let's check on this 50. If you have any question, you can ask as we proceed. V50. What is it reacting from on the left? There's nothing on the left that is reacting from. I think it might push down one more time for a sell.
I do have a question, man.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Uh, I don't know now whether this is just made for your mentorship student, but I would like to know how do you approach the market, especially from higher time frame until you come to a point of
Oh,
pulling
I can't
it
talk
down.
about that. That's for mentorship students. Yeah.
And how much is your mentorship?
Please check my pin details on the main group. I have a pin message, the prices and then the offers or services are there. I'm offering 50% discount on any of the service that you choose. So check it out.
Okay, I see.
I think this guy, I don't know. I don't know if it is reversing or I think he might push down one more time before he reverse. It's very possible for it to come back to this level. Now I'll have to confirm this entry. I don't know. I have to confirm an entry, something like that. Anyway, let's check 75 harness. 75 harness, we are in a sell. I hope you entered the cells. Boom. We are in profit on 75 harness. Beautiful move. Came back to the inverted fair value gap right here. Beautiful reaction. Let's see if we can hunt sell side liquidity aggressively with big impulsive candles. Let's see how it goes. We are looking good so far. 75 honest. Let's check the 75 itself. 75 75 since 75 is reversing, I think it probably might come up one more time to mitigate this wick, filling that wick before it reverse. So yeah, I'm looking for possible liquidation one more time on that high, as we are delivering very aggressively from this imbalance after sell side was taken here. So I'm looking for sell buy side liquidity to be taken one more time, and I'll look for a shift to sell the market. A lot of imbalances to be filled on the downside here, so can target this imbalance if we get any entries. And target this high as well. So yeah, one more liquidation above the high. I'll be looking for a shift. Yeah, it's gonna hunt it aggressively. A lot of people will see this as market structure shift. They will be selling the order block. Stop losses are here. They will hunt the stop loss and mitigate the wick here. And price may then wanna sell after that. So let's see how that goes. These two lines I have here are kill zones that I was testing out. Anyway, so it's gonna happen buy side is gonna be swept, and we will watch what will happen afterwards. Okay, we watch what happens after buy side is swept. So yeah, that's it for V75. Let's check. Thank you. I don't know if you've looked at 101s. 101s. What is separate 101s? 101s may. Let's see. We have.
So I also check boom 500.
All right, I'll do so. 101s is quite tricky right now. It could easily be bullish from here, but the displacement with which price came into the level is crazy. So it's making it scary for a buy, but the setup is not bad. But I'll wait for some more price action because it can yet come and take this low and tap here. We have so many imbalances on the downside, and looking at this displacement, wow, very tricky. Bar side was rated, equal highs rated, displacement. So I'm just gonna leave this guy alone. I think we've looked at everything. Let's check step index. My step index is my guy. Step index is my guy. Step index, what is it doing? Just taking a bunch of liquidity pools. You have consolidation lows here. These consolidation lows have been cleared. We've tapped into an institutional reference point. Let's see how price is reacting here. So let's see, it's slowing down. Let's see if there's any indication of a bullish price action. We might come down one more time. Okay, get rid of this. I think we might come down one more time to sweep that low before a possible bullish move. There's scalping on M5 alone. This has no higher time frame backing. That is not how I trade usually, but there's a live trading session, so we are trying to look for some quick moves here and there. So this is just pure 5-minute scalping.
Sorry, how do you usually do it?
Come again?
How do you usually do it?
Top down. I do top down analysis. That's how I trade.
Okay, just link on the day.
Yeah, daily, 4 hour, H1, M30, all the time frames. Complete top down.
Alright. So about weekly and monthly, do you use those?
No, if I'm confused on the daily, that's when I check the weekly. Other than that, I don't usually check the weekly. If the daily is quite clear.
If the daily, okay. Okay.
So go ahead.
I was trying to just understand how you go about daily buys.
Bro, this stuff are mentorship stuff.
Okay. All right. Cool.
Okay. So You can still learn from these free markups and setups that I'm sharing. You can still learn from it. Whatever is happening on the lower time frame, the same thing happening on the higher time frame. Or if you want further understanding, you can see the one-on-one.
I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome. 75 one is moving nicely. Let's check some of the boom and crashes. Boom 500. Let's see what is happening. Some beautiful moves have happened here. Okay. I don't see anything here on Boom 500. Let's check Boom 1000. Boom 1000, Boom 1000, Boom 1000. I'm gonna leave this guy alone. I don't see anything reasonable. Crash 500. Let's see. Crash 500. Crash 500. So, okay. So this is what I see on Crash 500. They have that's support level, liquidity resting below the support, equal lows generated below, but currently reacting from this bullish order block. So price, we took liquidity here though, but price can still grab liquidity one more time because of how we are delivering from here. So yeah, I'm expecting some form of liquidation back into this level. Then we can come to this areas. So that's my expectation on this guy. The boom and crashes, M5 is not interesting. I think the best time frame to use is M15. I'm not gonna go into M15 because they're just looking for quick scalps. What is happening on this guy?
Can I ask a question, please?
Yeah, go ahead.
When it comes now, because I'm seeing you are you have been using Quasimodo pattern that you are drawing most of the time. Do you always wait for the Quasimodo pattern to form before you pull your trigger, or?
It's not about Quasimodo, it's about liquidity. Trying to find an example where we don't have Quasimodo, but we have liquidity. The importance is not on the... Definitely Quasimodo has liquidity, but the importance is on the liquidity. Just like here, we have order block down here. Come on, what am I doing? Order block down here. and liquidity resting before it. This can form in the Quasimodo form, it can form in a normal form, it can form anyhow. So the most important thing is the liquidity aspect, not the Quasimodo per se. But most of the time, it's gonna form looking like Quasimodo. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that was a clean liquidation of this high into that other block, and then a nice sell off. So here, I really like this high. Everybody that sold has stop losses resting above this high. So the most amount of liquidity will be resting here. We are still bearish, so I'll be waiting for price to sweep this liquidity, tap into this consecutive up close candles as order block, and then sell off aggressively. So for crash 500, that's my expectation.
Wait, can I ask?
Go ahead.
Okay, I wanted to ask the high that you marked out. Can that also not be an order book? And as well as those equal highs they above
It can be on an order block,
the
but
prices.
the ultimate pool of liquidity would always be taken, and it wouldn't even care about your order block. It's about
Okay.
It's about trying to like try and think like if you were the reef and you wanted to make money, how are you gonna make money? Even though the market is yeah, try and think like that. It will help you a lot. If you're the reef and you want to make money, how are you gonna make money? You make money by stopping traders out. A lot of people are selling as prices going down. They are trailing their stop losses. Okay, they started selling. They trade stop loss here. Now new stop losses will be resting here. Some will even place it here, but most of it will be resting here. So definitely this will be taking a little reaction will be given, and then the major stop loss, and then the actual move. So think like the okay, if you are the market maker, you want to make money, how are you going to manipulate these guys? And it will help you a lot. Yeah, it will help you a lot if you're able to think like that.
The issue of manipulation.
This explanation alone is pure mentorship. Yeah. Try and think like the reef. Trust me, you're good to go. So yeah, that price will come there 100%. You mark this chart and then watch it for the rest of the day and see what happens. Price will come there. It will take this high 100%. So it's about market psychology, right? Understanding how retail traders behave and all of that. I think we should be taking some profit on 10-1s. Let me see. Okay, we are yet to. We've taken the equal highs. Let me see. Oh, come on. Okay, we've not yet taken the equal highs. Okay, so I'll start closing my profits when we take that high. We can go break even on these trades. And 75 1S is massively in profit as well. Yeah. 75 1S massive. TP1 smashed. TP1 smashed. TP1 smashed. TP1 smashed. Beautiful. Beautiful. smash on V75. And that's beautiful. I think I'm gonna take a partial. Looking at how aggressive it is, it can keep running. But let me take a partial. Or let me allow it to run a little bit. Oh man, what a trade. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Beautiful trade. Follow who no road. Okay. You watch me do this live. You can also do it. Okay. You can also do it. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Money is being made. Money is being made. Money is being made. So yeah, these are my entries. Killing it right there. I think someone is also killing it. Someone just sent me a screenshot. Killing 75 on this. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. So let's check on this. That one is just doing massive as well. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade in less than how many hours or minutes? Less than 2 hours. We are smashing it.
Can we look at V100?
That one is trying to be stubborn. So it might sweep this low and reject aggressively back. That's very possible. So let's see what happens. At the end of the day, the target still remains here. That's where retailers are looking at as resistance. Okay. So Powers has bounced 1, 2, 3 times. They are selling with this bearish candle stop losses. A lot of stop losses are being engineered up there. So that's the draw on liquidity. Okay. We should be seeking that draw. If I have muted you, I just unmuted all of you. So if you want to talk, you can talk. Is there any trading community for synthetics that does free live trading? Some of them, they can't trade, so they won't trade live for you to see. They can't trade. Yeah, they can't trade. If they can trade, they will trade live for you to see. But here you see how I trade live, hitting TPs here and there. Yeah, watching it. So that's how we do it. Come and learn the skill for yourself. No cap.
Question.
Go ahead. So these are my entries on this 10 one is I've shared it on Telegram. Just for you to know that I'm taking the entries myself. I'm not just calling it because I believe in what I'm doing. Okay, go ahead with your question.
Just is losing part of it.
Please pick up. I can't hear you.
For the newbies.
Okay.
Is losing.
You are my mentorship guy, right? Brain.
Yes.
Yeah. Go ahead.
I just wanted to ask for the newcomers, but it's also for me as well. Like
I don't know. I can't hear you. It's like you are sleeping and you are talking. I can't hear you.
Alright, I was saying
Speak clearly, please.
part of it.
Of course, man. You are interested, man. You are super interesting. Losing is part of it. It's come on. How can you be a trader and not expect to lose money? Then you can't be a trader. you should quit trading. Yeah, you should quit trading.
Yeah.
Losing is part.
I was just asking mostly for the newbies. But I know that losses.
But you know that you don't even need 100% win rate to make money. All you need, like this trade that we took, is the risk reward is 2.48 R, and then the one we took on 75 runners. Let's see the risk reward. Come on, load. 75 runners risk reward is 2.8 R. So if you risk $10, you're getting $28. Boom. Full TP smash on 75 runners. So you don't need to be 100% right to make money. All you need is to be able to win 5 out of 10 trades, and you'll be profitable. Even 4 out of 10, you'll still be profitable. Because if you are taking times minimum of times two back, the numbers would always work in your favor. Minimum of times 2. The 5 that you won, you took times 2 back, that would be what? $10. And you lost you lost 5. The 5 that you lost is just minus 5. At the end of the day, you're profitable for $5 here. And here, if you do the math, you'll be profitable for $2. $2. The drawing is not working for me well. But you should do the math. You don't need to be 100% even right to make money. It's all about risk reward. Okay, be able to catch big trades. Okay, if you see the trades that you've been catching, the trades that we've been catching are massive, right? You can see me catch a trade of 8R, and then there is big trades. Those are the one that like it does the heavy lifting. So if you're able to cut big trades like that, you can. This one you have to if you and you have to risk consistently. If you are risking $10, you have to risk $10 all the time. Other than that, you are joking. So the risk should be consistent. Okay, consistent risk, and you're gonna make something. Full profit has been smashed on 75 oneness. Make sure you take your profit. Don't be greedy. Exit the market. Okay, you've made some money. Be happy with it. Aggressive push. Easiest profit I've made this week. Zero stress. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Zero stress. Zero stress. The only setup that is slowing down is 151s. 151s. Where is it? Yeah. 151s is playing around. It's playing around, but it's still a valid setup. Like I said, we've taken all this liquidity pool, aggressive displacement, change instead of delivery, sell side, engineered, swept into fair value gap, order block, displacement, fair value gap. Everything is perfect, so I'm not scared. I'm being composed and waiting for it to play out. And if it doesn't, it's just one of it, on to the next. Losing is part of the game, and you shouldn't fear losing. So if I were you, I would take advantage of the one-on-one. What do you call it? One-on-one mentorship with a 50% discount plus lifetime signals. Come and learn the skill. Come and learn how you can do this on your own. Top-down approach, scalping approach, whichever approach you want to take the market. Come learn how to do it. So I'm expecting it to move. I think one thing we can do is I'm thinking of adjusting stop loss to this swing low. But I don't know. No. So I'll just keep it here.
Excuse me.
I'll just keep the stop loss here. If this low is taken, I'll watch the reaction. And if we respect this and we start pushing up, I will re-enter again. So stop loss is still gonna be maintained here. This is the protected level, and that's the most important level we are guarding. So, but I think we will just push up. So let's see what happens. Go ahead.
Excuse me, sir. Yeah, I was asking, how are you able to scale your account to trade big amounts?
I didn't scale. I saved money. I didn't scale. I saved money.
Okay.
Yeah, but initially I was trading a joint account. I have two other friends who contributed money, and it was a $3,000 account. And we used to share profits monthly, weekly. It depends.
Yeah.
But right now I have my own deposit that I trade with. So you can, instead of trying to trade those $10, $20 accounts, if you are good with scalping like I'm doing here, I think the last time I shared a video where I sent $5 to $80 or so. Yeah, on Telegram. Yeah. If you are good with scalping, you can trade those $20 accounts and the rest. But if you're not good with scalping, instead of trading those $10, $20, why don't you save it up? Save it up, get a reasonable amount, maybe $200, $150, or even if it is $100, it's a reasonable amount. And then you can trade it with peace of mind. But that $20, $10, a small pullback, you'll be shaking. You might even close. Like this pullback, you'll be shaking and you even close the trade when stop loss is not even taken. So that's my advice.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. So if you don't have the money, continue learning while saving up. This is very important. Because if you have, let's say, even $500 account and you risk $15 per trade, if price is coming for stop loss, you wouldn't shake that much because $15 out of $500 is nothing. Okay, you'll be able to maintain composure and let the trade play without you closing it prematurely. But if you're having $20 account and this is going deep against you like this, you might close it at -7 or 8 when you've not even taken stop loss. It will mess with your psychology. So we've had 2 good trades on this trading session. 10-1S, beautiful trade on 10-1S. This thing should just smash TP and stop fooling. Beautiful trade on 10-1S, beautiful trade on 17.
Hello, bro.
5-1S.
Hello, bro. Good day.
Yeah, good evening.
Can I ask?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Sorry,
Full
the
TP
first section
smash
of
on
the
75-1S. Beautiful.
Can
Yeah,
I speak, please?
yeah, go ahead.
Okay, well done. Thank you for the signal. Though I was not in the first section of the.
We are always not in the first session of the call.
My brother.
T-note.
My brother.
You are
And
always not in the first session of the call.
my brother.
And you always
won't
want me to
believe-
repeat myself. This time around, I'm not
so
repeating
sorry.
myself. Trust
I'm
me.
so sorry. No
This
problem. Would you believe that I have been on the market since the signal you sent in the midnight and early in the morning? I was tracking V75. I was just going up and down, just taking a little what's it called? Pullback. Until I just left it 1 hour, 30 minutes ago, and I saw that it started going bullish. So I now said, let me go and eat since I've been with the trade all this while. Let me go and eat. I now came back and I now saw that you've just ended a particular live call. I was so sad, and I now saw that you dropped signal. Would you believe that it was the signal I just entered? While I was eating, I was checking the signal, and I could only do one. I could only enter one. The 10X, I saw it a little late, but I made the profit on the other one. So I want to say thank you. So if you said you don't want to, as in reanalyze the what's it called, the 75 1S, I'm fine with it. At least you didn't reanalyze it, but at least the one you gave, the market analyzed it to my pocket with some blues, So thank you for that. However, maybe I will be chatting you early in the morning Ghana time, maybe anything like 7 or 8, to ask if you're probably going to come live today, so that your schedule for the day, maybe your to-do list, I will just know, then I will time that also, so that we'll be listening. Because I know sometimes you do it spontaneously.
Yeah, I do it spontaneous because I just count through the market and I see like, there are about 2 or 3 nines set out that we can scalp, and I come live to do. Yeah, so it's spontaneous. Okay.
Yes, and that's what I thought about.
It depends on what I see.
So maybe once in a while, I'll just be asking once in a while, and anytime I'm, lucky to know that you'll be coming sometimes that day, I'll just have timed myself.
All right, no problem.
It was really very nice. I couldn't risk much though, because, trying to not put myself in unnecessary pressure, but I just noticed that I came in when that pullback happened. When the pullback happened was when I came in, so I just quickly mount 2 positions per and just leave it to what I can risk, and it really went well. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
75.
I saw something new in your chat today because
hold on.
I saw something new in your chat today, and not though you are not used to this. I think this is just one of your new charts that you use, not the usual green and.
No. I've changed my colors. 2024. I'm changing. I'm trying to level up. I'm changing everything.
We are so used to that psychologically that when I see this one, I thought maybe you gave it to your younger brother to just post it for us.
I'm sticking with the simple charts, red
Yeah,
and
it's
green.
cool.
Yeah. So 75 decided not to go to that high, but I'm not comfortable selling yet. I'll still wait and watch and see. We have this other block we are currently tapping. I'm still expecting it to come here before I look for any possible entries. Let's check the rest. Okay, this guy still selling. Target is down here. 25 1S. Let's see what is happening. Okay, 25 1S may be ready for a buy very, very soon. I like how perfectly price is holding that imbalance there with the bodies. And we are liquidating. What I'm expecting is an aggressive push-up, break of structure, fair value gap. And I'll be good to go for an entry. An early entry can be taken here, but that's going to be a risky entry. Maybe give the stop loss a little bit room. It's very possible that there's a possible entry as well, but remember this is without any confirmation. So I'm just gonna put something very little on 25 1S right now, very, very little. So you can join with something the lowest lot size. If you get the confirmations, and then we can go in a little bit more aggressive. So I've entered this guy. We don't have confirmation yet, but just an early entry. Yeah, an early entry, and it seems to be moving fine so far. So I'm giving it, let me check the left side for a reasonable stop loss. This level. Okay. So that would be a reasonable stop loss.
Hello, admin, please, can I please quickly come in here a little? Sorry, please.
Okay. Please make it brief.
Yeah.
I don't want to be distracted.
Very brief. There was a video.
What I'm looking
Yeah,
at.
there was a video you made for me on how to determine the lot size of a particular risk I want to put in. But I sent you a message back that how you came about your sell limit or buy limit on the chart. I didn't get it. So
You're not gonna place
you didn't
it.
see
You're just gonna try placing it, but you don't place it. You don't.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
You are not gonna place
I
it.
like that you try it here so that I can learn it. I can learn it directly. Maybe you just try it here with how you would have done it so that I'll just see how you brought it up. Thank you.
Oh, this one. So I don't know. I can't share my phone to you guys. I don't know how I can share my phone screen to this Zoom session. I'll
Oh. Okay.
But it's maybe I'll make another video for you later. But it's not that
Okay.
difficult.
All right. Thank you. Thank you.
Stop loss at 617. 61767. I have some little imbalance, but this kind of a balanced price range. Well, let's see. see what happens here. But the market structure shift will be ideal. So this is a risk entry, very, very risky entry. And if you are still learning this business, make sure you always go with confirmation and that you're going to lose a lot of money. If this big bearish candle can be turtle souped on this current candle, we should be going bullish aggressively. If not, then I don't know, it might come for the stop loss. I'm expecting this big bearish candle to be turtle souped. Like a bullish candle should close right away. It should close bullish right away. And that will give me some confidence.
Yo, man, I would like to know, where did you learn how to trade? Did you learn from ICT, or where did you learn?
I'll say I discovered ICT, I think, maybe 3 or 4 years ago. I think 4 years ago. I don't remember, 3 or 4 years ago. But I was first introduced to synthetic market by a friend. I was on, I don't know if you guys heard of IML. That's Scam Forest Mentorship group. I paid about $300 or so to join that group. They didn't teach us anything. So I was on a pay with some guy, AJ, a very, very good guy. He introduced me to Forex. He created his own group and we started trading. Synthetic, yeah. And yeah, it was going well. It's a long story. We contributed money. The group contributed money to about $5,000, and we were trading the account. AJ, myself, and some other guy. We were able to send the account to $30,000 within 3 weeks. The goal was to share profit at the end of the month. At the third week, we blew the account back to $200. And trust me, since then, AJ has never traded again. He quit trading. He had depression. He never traded again. I also quit for about 4 months or so. When I came back, I was like, no, like it is doable, you know. So I like how we are closing this candle right now. That's a very good sign. Very, very good sign. Boom. I like this candle. We should be pushing strongly. We should be pushing strongly.
Yeah, it's engulfing it kind of.
So yeah, that's nice. I'm tired. I should go find something to eat. I hope you guys have learned a lot from this live stream and you've made some money.
I've only made some money. I've not learned. So.
Yeah, let's 150. Let's see, 150 is still playing around the entry, but yeah, let's give it that fair chance to really do what it wants to do. Okay, so he pushed up, he pushed back down, doing his thing. Yeah, so so I recorded the session. I'm just hoping that the recording will be good. I'll be uploading it on YouTube. If I check and it's all good, you can watch it over again and learn from the setups that we took today. So 150 is not looking bad. Let's see how it performs. It's not looking bad at all. The candle failed to close above the body, but the next candle is also pushing nicely. So let's see. Once we get above this candle, the sellers are doomed. Once we get above that, the sellers are doomed. Okay, so watch these two setups, 25 1s and 150 1s. We will come back live. I'll come back live some other time. And yeah.